Boy,
We'll try to
do
do it
I.
tonight. When you want to do it?
Huh?
You want to try to do it tonight, or when you want to do it?
Yeah, let's do tonight if that's okay. If something
Okay.
changes, we can shift. Yeah, because this is ridiculous right now.
Are you serious right now?
Hi, Kris.
What's
Oh,
going on,
is
guys?
he teaching you futures? Is that it?
No, no, no. He's just gonna show me how to set up like my fibs.
Oh.
Those fibs were on fire yesterday. It was crazy. I was working most of the day, but like I'd get a break to stop at a red light, and I'd pull a fib, and I'm like, okay, there it is. I'd get in and get out at the red light, make some money. It was nice.
See, get it at the red light. Just made some money at the red light.
At the red light.
Right? Did Kris say hello?
Wait, can you guys hear me or not?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can hear you
here.
now, but I didn't hear you before. Did you hear me say hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you guys still hear me right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
Man,
right,
this market is so fickle, eh? Like, I mean, one number and they automatically think there's going to be a pivot and then it just pumps. That's crazy.
I swung some AMD calls, but I immediately sold it open to lock profit on that. The market's it's insane. So we had the data come out. I mean, if someone already knows it off the top of their head, go ahead.
Well, basically, unemployment came in
Yeah.
2%, 0.2 higher than forecast, right?
Yeah, so it came on what 3.7 compared to 3.5 consensus, and then we also had so then Bloomberg also says Fed swaps price and peak policy rate of 5.25% in June 2023, and then we also had labor non-farm payrolls come in at 261,000 compared to 205,000. So that's good news. Yes, the market wants to pump off that.
I had the market hitting an intraday pivot and a major daily pivot at the high right now. Like where it rejected was the actual pivot. So it's an interesting spot. Like the pivots I use, I have a daily pivot where it's just like the strongest lines, which is the daily pivot for ES was at 3790. And it rejected there, and then I have an intraday pivot as well at 3785.75. So that area is a area of supply for my chart, and it's rejected at the moment. So it's a little interesting.
Sure.
Also, rumors about China reopening earlier than thought. So all the China stocks have pumped. Like Neo's up like 10% right now.
Yeah, and like Baba is just freaking flying, right?
Yeah. Which is odd to me because I thought Baba wouldn't really be as impacted because like they're online sales, right?
Some big candles this morning.
Yeah, 20-point range, 23-point range off the bat, y'all. That's insane. Just so we all know. So I mean, the high of our pre-market is quite literally our market open price. So, ooh, if you guys have your brokers open, look for calls right here. Calls would actually kind of. Okay, I'm gonna do a little SPY scalp here.
Off of the VWAP?
Not pumped already. 378. Don't tell me it's already going. 378 at 0.82. Just a tiny little scalp. I'm in 378 at 0.82. And we'll set a pretty tight stop loss, probably like when we entered 376.7. We'll keep it tight. But I want like what 0.9 and then we can just exit. So SPY. this breaks below, I'm gonna cut it pretty quickly just because then it's just not gonna bounce. It's gonna go to VWAP down here, and that won't be worth holding. But I think if we can just hold these green candles, we should be good. If this hits 0.9, I'll be half out. I don't have a limit, but that's what I'm gonna be looking for. I'm just gonna do futures after this, by the way. The range is too big for me not to do futures. That's like 30% on futures, just like that. Instead of us waiting for even 10%. All right, I'm gonna exit these here. Yeah, I'll let you guys know my fill. 0.62. I'm fully out. I'm doing futures. I'm not doing options anymore right now. It's complete trash movement. That was a good cut, though, I'll tell you that. Hopefully this keeps digging.
I literally had like a put quote trigger yesterday for the level of the high today, because that was my zone to take a put, but I couldn't do it this morning because I didn't want to play the first 15 minutes that quick. But damn, I should have took the puts.
Yeah, that would have been nice. Looks like ES is actually rejecting off of our 90-MA daily, which is kind of interesting. Something to note. Let's see. So 4 hours is gonna be super key here. We obviously have data, so that's why our chart looks a little bit wonky. But let's see. I think they can probably push this higher, honestly. Like, it looks like they can definitely push this higher.
For sure, they just gotta pass that spot.
Let me delete some stuff.
If it gets over high day, it should run.
Yeah, that's a big ass candle. Let's see. How many people we got on live right now? I know you guys can see the screen for a second. 125. Sheesh. It's a W. Oh my god, look at Apple. Holy crap. Why was no one talking about this?
I was literally actually about, and I promise you, I was about to say something. I just switched the chart.
Y'all are supposed to help me out. Come on. God damn, look at Apple.
I legit, right when I brought the chart and was about to put the mic on, you said that.
It's dropped. Yeah, I got you. It's dropped 3%, y'all. 3% more now. Holy crap. 3%, and we're literally 12 minutes in. Jesus.
Yeah, green to red move.
Wait. Look at the rest of the market. Wait. Holy crap. Hold up. NQ and Dow are like, Dow is somehow holding. QQQ is just dying. Apple's already red. Amazon's almost filled its whole gap. Microsoft just filled the gap. Google's still in the process. Meta almost there. Nvidia's holding. Semis are strong. Tesla's just dying as well. Which Tesla gap up 4% just for it to start dying like this. Okay. I think gold is up a lot. Yeah, gold's up 2%. And oil futures are up 4. Jeez. Okay. Ooh, oil futures could low-key have a breakout pretty soon. That looks kind of nice. Not gonna lie. Oil price is about to fly.
SPY just broke under the next pivot below after just tapped the top pivot.
All right, let me check it out. Everything gapped up so hard today. Thank God I sold freaking call. It's out open.
The pivot is 373.74.
Yeah, I see that. It's yesterday's highs. They could buy this up here. So what's going to happen is they're probably going to dump this a bit more. Liquidity grabbing, and then they're going to start profiting up here. I don't know, maybe they fill this gap. Damn, look at this sell-off. Thank God we exited our calls. Jesus. Okay, so let's see. I think they can sell us off actually in the morning a lot more aggressively. I'm looking at the chart a little bit inverted here. Helps to visualize. Yeah, to me it looks like they have these support zones from yesterday, like so. And then, yeah, they have that support. So they're probably going to start buying it up in a second or two here. I'm going to wait. But I'm going to look for
might.
long. Yeah. What you said? What?
Yeah, here between here and 3,740 for ES is a good area it might bounce from.
Yeah.
That's my last candle. I was trying to get into puts, and I
Yeah,
was waiting.
this area on the area on SPX right here, I really like it. I think we could like play the bounce.
Yep. Wait, Mike, what were you saying?
I said I was waiting on a good entry for some puts. I was waiting on it to pull back a little bit,
Right.
And I kind of moved a little bit and accidentally hit the button. I made $187 off that candle.
Jesus, bruh.
On accident.
Nice. I mean, that's always good to make money.
Yeah.
I'm down.
I'm glad I didn't hit the buy button. That would have sucked.
Yeah, I'm down for the day trades on the day, so hopefully we can clutch back up. Yes, sir. I'm not going to buy quite yet. I mean, it would have been great if we had bought calls or longed at that low, but trying to call exact bottoms, that would be kind of good. I know what we're missing. This is why we're not making money. Every single day, the same thing happens. Also, there's only 18 people watching the live. Do you guys need a link or something? Because I can send you the link, but like...
Yeah, where's the link?
I mean, it's literally the same thing every single day. I don't understand why
Repost it.
always ask for it.
We're lazy.
Yeah, people are
I am lazy.
Posted it in the market chat.
Yeah, I love
Thanks.
Yeah, the link on this chat is broken. Says
Yeah.
that unavailable.
What do you mean in this chat?
Unavailable. Like Kris plays.
I just sent it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. No, I was clicking on the previous.
Oh, got you. Yeah, the previous. I mean, here, just I'm gonna sort something out, and you guys will be able to see it. Also, I hear some background, but guys, I would definitely listen to the Drake album right now, but I'm not gonna do you guys like that. All right, I'm sorry. I gotta listen to it.
I was clicking on the previous.
Damn, who's mic that beat? Did anyone listen to the new Drake album? Or I'm guessing no, because I'm like the only 17-year-old in here.
Wait, first of all, Drake's one of my favorite. I didn't know he dropped the album, so good to
He's
know.
one of your favorite,
I'm about
but
to
you
go
didn't
look
know
this
he
shit.
dropped his album last night. That's crazy.
Bro, I just woke up like
Bro,
10 minutes ago.
I
don't know
listened
where
to that
he
whole
was.
thing last night, bro.
Best-
The whole album
best
last
album
night.
of the
that
year,
shit was
okay?
fire.
I
Oh
wanna,
God.
Yeah, I want to stay focused on stocks, but just listen to the Drake album if you guys like rap, right? It's really good. Promise you. But
Yeah.
for now, I'll put on some chill music. Don't worry.
21's my favorite rapper, so I'm
I love
super
21. Yeah,
excited.
the features that he had were insane. Promise you, just listen to it. So
Oh
good.
my
Nah,
god.
it only had one feature, and that was Travis Scott on the
Yeah,
album.
I know. It's 21 and then one feature of Trav. So
That's
anyway,
just-
we gotta stay focused, brothers and sisters. All right. So this is bounce zone, very likely to bounce, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. If we wick to a new low, I'll probably long on futures. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set a. I'll just do it manually. I want to buy as soon as we break the low, so I want to buy probably at 3742. That's an area where I would want to buy, because if we go down there, it's just gonna wick, and then we're gonna start uptrending, I'm sure. And yeah, I know everyone wish they got the puts, guys. Don't worry. We all wish we got puts at the open. So I see it in chat a lot and on Twitter. All right, I'm gonna look too long here in a second. I'll let you guys know my fill on the ES long. I'll go in with a starter size. Okay, here I'm in here at 374. 3740 in my ES long.
You just
Wait,
hit the
Kris.
order.
Yo, so for like an ES long, is that you think it's gonna go up or down?
Up. So I'm
Up?
just longing via futures because I don't want to freaking play options because they're moving like trash.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not they're moving like trash. They don't move enough for me to be happy with it, and the range is so big today. It's not worth it. All right, I'm looking for
Got
3.7. I mean, we're already up like 30% right here. I'm gonna look for like 3.750, and that's 100% gain. I look for like high 40s if we get that, because right now we're like 30% up only. It's a very big range. So like literally one candle, and we're already back to break even kind of thing. So we just got to be careful. I think that we bottom here off of this wick. That's what I think. This 3 minute looks like it could definitely reclaim. So that's why we're entering here. Let's see what we can do. We got a good ass fill, so. Come on, let's do this. I'll look for 3.745. Oh, do not go for new low, please. I'll hold this through if it goes for a new low. I'm holding this through. I think SPY bounces before we hit the gap. Well, that's a nice candle. That is a nice candle. That's a perfect candle. So I want 3.745s for an exit. I know yeah, we hit it a minute ago, but I just want for like a really nice breakout here. 3.745, 3.748. But I'm gonna be a fourth out probably at around 3.745. I'll let you guys know my exact fills, because that'll be about 50%ish. As long as this candle closes green, even if it's just like that is a perfectly fine closure. I just don't want it really closing red, I guess. Even slightly red, I just want it to close slightly green. Come on. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna be careful with this. I'm gonna be half out instead of a fourth out on my first scale. Let's see if I can get 45 and I'll be half out, okay? I got my limit set for half out at 45, guys. Because now what I see on the pattern is that we're gonna just be downtrending choppy downtrends, and so it's very risky to try to play a breakout here. It's probably gonna try to retest like 3.756 very soon, but this can have some pretty big red candles beforehand, so we gotta be careful with that.
Apple's going for a new low right now.
New low. We need to keep an eye on Apple, but yeah, I see that. I think they're gonna wick it right here probably. That's just my opinion.
Tesla's actually super strong compared to SPY right now.
Let's see.
We actually have like
Everything's tanking so
tight reversal on Tesla.
yeah. Amazon has already filled its whole gap. So Microsoft was red a minute ago. Google is actually holding a lot stronger than everything else. Meta's dead as well. Nvidia's still up 3%. There we go. I'm filled 3.745. It's easy peasy. Half out, half out.
Wait, so what percentage was that on futures right there?
Futures traders don't like when I talk about it in percentages, but since I put up $500 for margin and I make $50 per point that it moves, and I longed at 40, now it went to 45. It moved 5 points, and I make $50 per. So I made basically 50%, $250, and I put 500
Gotcha.
up for margin. So yeah, basically 50%. Yeah.
And now it's more.
Yeah, now it's almost 100%. I'll be 3/4 out, so it's gonna be like basically a double your money right here, guys. If it hits, yeah, there we go. I'm gonna be 3/4 out and 3/4 out here. That is nice.
On both futures, is there a day trading limit thing?
No, you
Like
can
with your account?
you can buy and sell as many times as you please. Holy
Dang,
moly, that
that's good.
is an amazing freaking trade. Let's go. So you basically double your money if you even just put in 500 bucks, 500 to 500 right there. Or if you do micros, that's 50 to 50 bucks. So that's why micros are good. So now we got 120%ish, 140, say less. I do not have enough longs to actually exit more. We're at VWAP right here. This is going to be a rejection zone, I'm guessing, but I'm just going to hold the rest through, stop loss, break even on the rest. I'll look for 3.760s because that'll be 200%, and I'll take that any day. I don't think this goes too much higher though.
Damn, I got spooked out. You got me spooked out a bit.
What do you mean spooked out? Where'd you exit?
Oh, I exited for like a 3% gain. I exited basically a small pop on the when we were at the bottom. Yeah, you were like, I was not looking good on the longer frame, and I was like, I'm just gonna take a small win and look for a better setup. But yeah, but it did bounce where the pivot was for me too, so that was a good play.
All good. We learned.
I did not want to start the day with a loss.
Oh, you're good. I mean, for me, like when I enter a trade like that, my risk reward is kind of like, okay, we're not gonna try to catch a falling knife on this. But notice how when we entered, we basically saw one candle of downside, and then we started going upside. I'm not saying we're freaking wizards or anything, but we entered and it immediately starts going up, and we didn't see that the entire morning. I mean, we entered calls over here. I know that was a stupid play, but for this, like my risk reward is kind of like lenient on this, especially when we are so far down. Okay, oh my god, here's almost 200%. Okay, nice. I'm gonna exit a few more. Down to runners right here. Down to runners.
And the things are up 48% on
God.
this spy call I had.
Woo.
57%.
That's freaking 210%, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. That is how futures is done. Let's go. That's why I love futures. So much better than options.
100% agreed. I need to get a futures account as soon as possible.
Yeah, I mean, there is no theta. You long and it goes. Oh, wait. Did that even send out? You guys still hear me? Oh,
Yeah.
Lord.
Yeah, we can hear you.
My Discord didn't send the last message, so I don't know. Oh, God. Oh, there we go. I sent. I think my internet was just being shitty there. But yeah, it's so much better. I mean, you long. Okay, did anyone get SPX or SPY options off the bottom? I can check them myself also. I'm guessing
Yeah, I
they
did.
did not.
The spy call that I played, but like
Uh-huh.
exit early on, went up 57% at high.
So it went up 50%
Yeah, I got-
total.
And I was playing the 375 call.
That is freaking trash. 50%? Okay, wait, how much percent did we go up the low? Okay, that makes sense. The options should have moved 60% from low to high. Or
Dude, mine only moved like 40.
yeah, you made 40%.
It did move low to high because I got in at 99 cents and it got to a low of 89 cents or $89. So it went from 89 technically to 157. I saw the high.
Get you. Damn, dude, my internet is so bad right now. Hold up. You guys can hear me? I'm not cutting out or anything.
I can hear you.
Damn, it says my internet's insane. It's like 300, 400, 500 download. Jeez. And yet, my internet's not working. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm just gonna hold the runners here. But otherwise, I got to freaking enter a drop for some new dunks. Some new Nike dunks that are dropping today. So I gotta hop in on the draw for that. Just
Wait.
Here, you guys want to see what I'm about to try to enter here? You guys tell me in the chat if these are heat or not. I'm gonna post it in market chat. Damn, my Wi-Fi is so bad. It just ES long just hit like 250%. By the way, I'm not able to exit anymore because I'm holding for. Oh my god. Okay, hold for like 300%. Why not? That's an OP long. What do you guys think about the? I sent the screenshot in chat. By the way, like. Oh, now I know. Now I know. I'm lagging out.
Kris.
Can you guys hear me or not?
Oh, he's gonna hold.
I'm down to one runner. I literally have one freaking long left.
All right, Kris.
Yeah, I don't think Kris can hear us.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
No. You can't hear us, bro.
Dude, I can hear you guys.
Someone message him in market
Bro,
chat.
y'all tripping.
Oh, you can't hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you guys.
Oh, people were asking questions. You weren't responding.
Because my Discord is tripping out. I'm sorry, but also like literally freaking 300% are here. I'm gonna be out with one contract left. Go ahead, Sophie. Yeah.
All right. How'd you know we were gonna bounce there? You probably went over earlier, but I joined at like 9:45.
Man, honestly. What's it called?
You better say brain, huh?
I was just like, it's gonna bounce right here. Why not? No, I'm just kidding. All right.
He was listening to Drake album, and it told him.
Yeah, Drake was like, "You buy them calls, they be going up," and so I was like, "Okay, bet."
Hey,
and so I just
SPX will bounce. It be blowing up.
Oh, that's a good bar. Okay.
Hey,
wait, that was low-key good. That was good. That was good. That was low-key heat. Okay, but anyway, basically what I was looking for is, so we saw this area yesterday. We were talking about it before we entered. We saw this area yesterday where buyers or sellers were present, right? So they were able to have a range before the close, and then they dumped it right to close. But we know that the buyers are present in this area. Or, I mean, they weren't because they actually ended up breaking it down. We know this is an area where they're going to try to buy it up. Like it's a resistance zone, and then it turns into a support zone. So basically think about, like, ignore this gap and imagine you see like a big breakthrough, like a trend line resistance. This is trend line resistance, and we break through. Now we're retesting. The buyer's going to come back in here when they eventually push it down. So we saw this initial bounce. I was like, okay, cool. They can bounce that. And then I remember we were talking about it here. Oh, damn, we wish we got calls. But we're waiting for that secondary break. Because on the secondary break, that's when they grab all the liquidity. Because now everyone thinks we're going to fill this gap. Look at this. Everyone down here thought we're going to fill this gap. And this was about to drop another 0.37%. Right? And we ended up not doing that. That's just where they're grabbing liquidity. So we enter on this candle right here. And then our stop loss is you can set it like really long stop loss, I guess you could say.
That's crazy. So you actually just sniped that whole thing.
Yeah, I guess so. And then our targets all hit and everything, so that was easy peasy.
Bro just made 10 grand.
Apple was working itself over supply at 139.09 area.
Let's keep Apple. Yeah, I mean Apple has this downtrending. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Hold up one sec, guys. I actually need to freaking enter this draw. But look at Apple. Apple has support right here. Yesterday we had trendline support, and we bounced several times. We actually even bounced today. Now we just reclaimed it. To me, low key puts is the move. I'm just gonna say that right now. You heard it.
Yeah, what if they're just grabbing liquidity too?
Yeah, they're just literally grabbing liquidity for upside here. I think puts are the move. Like shorting anything, like do a little position. Why not? If you guys have a few bucks to, I guess play with, if you do, a little short wouldn't be too bad. I gotta freaking enter this draw though, so let's see. Now the question is, do I get men's 13 or men's 12? Oof.
What?
Because I usually like I get 13s when I wear shoes. Because I'm obviously like 6'7", you know what I mean? So, but 12s are, depends how I lace them.
I wear 12s.
I'm getting 13s.
And can't let Safi one up you.
Nah, it's because when I wear 12s, I wear them more loose. More loosely. Alright. Praying that I freaking get this. Because this shoe is so fire.
Who really wants to cop them shoes?
Dude, I need to listen to this Drake album. It's like impulse right now. Need to. Alright, I actually do want a short here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Please don't break down yet. So I'm gonna try to exit the rest of my ES long. I'm gonna be out in full right here. Let me see what I get. Alright, 67. I'm fully out of the ES long. Fine with me. If this goes higher, I wouldn't even be that much. I wouldn't be that upset because.
What are you looking for short confirmation?
Let's look at SPY real quick. 1 sec. Actually, that was probably a retarded cut. Oh my god, I'm stupid. This is gonna go higher. I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. This. Oh no. Do not go for a new high. This is gonna go for a new high. Yeah, it looks kind of.
Why's your chart upside down?
Because I like to look at it on the inverse to see if the upside looks good via looking at a downside. All right, this is what I see. Yeah, because like if you, let's say you're looking at this and you're like, it doesn't look that good for upside, but then you switch it around and you say, oh, that looks low-key good for downside. That means it looks good for upside. So like I'm trying to visualize it from a different perspective, I guess. Yeah.
That's actually crazy.
It's really easy actually.
Oh, I've done that before.
Nice. Yeah. We do it every single day, Selfie.
And it gets, because some people have a lot of bias to the upside chart, like looking at a chart and picking a break up. So if you just switch it around, you can still play that upside in your brain and make you feel comfortable, but you're playing more objectively.
Yeah, 100%. I love inverting the chart or inverting the chart. Wait, it's so good.
I've never done that my whole life.
I recommend you start trying it. I wouldn't say just religiously start doing it, but like try it out. Also, Ryan's in SPX puts. He's down like 20% right now. A little bit. Yeah, 20%-ish. I don't know how he's not down more. That's actually kind of crazy. All right, I'm going to look at
because he
puts
pumps
here.
his contracts.
Someone on Twitter. Okay, wait, hold up. Let me just peek the chat real quick to make sure.
You owe me like $200 at least, because when you said you were getting inputs, I saw my calls.
And then did it go up a little bit more?
Oh yeah, then it went up huge.
Wait, it did? When did it do that?
Yeah.
I said short. I said short like 5 minutes ago.
It was.
Dude, look at that! Look at that! Mike, you owe me an apology. That's what I need. I need an apology letter, bro. Look at that candle. Oh lord. But no, someone on Twitter asked Ryan. I screenshot it. I thought it was both stupid and hilarious. They basically asked him, "Why did you enter?" And then Ryan said, "I forgot, bruh." and then the dude asked him, he's like, "Are you pumping cons or something?" And then Ryan was like, "Are you kidding me right now?" Or I forget what he said. Are you serious? Yeah. Are you serious right now? Like, bro. I mean.
Yo, Kris, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
If you don't mind. Looking at the DXY, the dollar index, we just broke like a major support. Is that safe to say? Like, is it safe to assume that SPX is about to rip just from that?
Yeah, I
think
no? we could probably full port off that. Yeah. No, let me check the chart. Yeah,
yeah, no, DXY looks bad,
sells,
bro.
Yeah, there was a lot of selling. Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
Damn,
my level was 11.11. My level was 11.1.5. We just broke right through that.
Let me see. I mean, so we pumped on the interest rate hike the other day on DXY. So what was that? Was that the second, third? No, yeah, second. Damn, you could probably do TA on DXY. That's kind of crazy, actually.
Yeah.
There's literally a channel. Oh god, don't show this to Tricky. Whatever you guys do, he's gonna say bull flag. Even though it actually does look like a bull flag.
Guys, I told y'all. Y'all ain't listen.
But I mean, yeah, it broke through that support.
Okay,
I don't know why
that was good.
I don't know why it actually broke through so much. If we're not, it's not like we're pumping on ES that much right now. Look at ES and SPY. We're not breaking through the high we just formed. So I don't usually look too much at DXY unless it's like a FOMC kind of day. So.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Y'all, 17 seconds before I know if I made it on the draw or not. Everyone pray for me right now, I swear.
I'm praying for
Even
you.
if you're not religious. I need you
On the
all to
draw.
come out. Like on the shoes, like there's only a limited amount of people who get it.
Oh.
And I've been waiting to get these the whole year. Come on now.
Go for the 13s, man.
I did go for the 13s. I'm just waiting right
If I
now.
get them, I'll ship them to you.
You said what?
I said I'm in the drop too.
Really? What size?
Yeah. 10.5.
Oh, I'm not gonna fit in
12s.
that, bruh.
I'm in the
why
12s.
is it telling you if you got it or not? Because for me, it's still loading.
No.
Come on, man.
Yeah, I got it.
Wait, actually?
No.
Bruh.
No, I'm just fucking with you, bro.
Y'all
I don't even
cannot
know
be
what to-
joking with me right now. This is serious.
I know my homie that has bots for this shit. He got like, I think, bro, I'm gonna hit him up for you. What size are you?
13. Yeah, give me his number or something, because I need someone to
Goldman
call me.
exited with like $5 profit.
Oh, bruh.
Well, I'll let you know as soon as, because he usually posts what he gets, like if there's a drop or something.
Okay. Because, I mean, these are 120, which are good shoes for a drop because they're really nice.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to get these for 400 on retail. That's so stupid. I'm not paying $400 for shoes. So I always like to get my stuff. I always get my stuff on drop. Like I got the UNC dunks. I got the Travis Scott.
Did you actually? I actually paid $400 for those.
Oh, okay. The dunks I paid like 300 for. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
I paid
that's all.
$400 for those UNCs.
I have the Jordan 1 UNCs. Like I got hella nice shoes, but they're all off drop. And I
got the Converses, you know.
Bro, don't you got the Travis Scott one? What you mean off drop?
Yeah.
You got those on drop?
Yes.
Holy shit! How?
Dude, my luck's just insane like that.
Bro, it's like literally, if I try, bro, I'll like never get it.
It's impossible. Why is it not telling me? Did it tell you if you got it or not?
No, it's just fucking loading.
Yeah, it's stupid. All right. Also, so back to the charts. We have ES kind of had a little breakout here, but we've topped wick 4 times. So look at that, 4 times off top wicks.
Hey, are you in VC, Ryan? Can I hear you?
No, Ryan's not. Oh, he is. Okay.
That was bro. That was a perfect cut right there.
I know, bro. I knew we were gonna get dip, get that premium juice. I was out.
And people are gonna be like, watch people complain, but it hit 1.3 twice. As soon as you cut it, hit it again.
I know. It hit 135.
Yeah, that was my.
No, yeah, I definitely didn't. Well, look, now it's at like 60 cents. So if you didn't cut, that sucks. Sometimes you just gotta cut, you know. Sometimes you're like, all right.
Wait, why'd you play that though?
But I thought I thought we were gonna retest VWAP earlier, and if we did, then we would have made easy 20. Whatever, we just didn't.
Yo, what are we thinking for me telling the Discord to exit in full here on the ES long, even though I already exited?
Just say it.
Should I just say 400% and just say fully out, even though I exited like 10 points ago?
I mean, yeah, but you didn't alert that you exited.
Hey, that's true. That's true. I'm just gonna say exit in full here.
Yeah, you never told them.
Because I'm not saying I'm exiting. Oh, big brain. All right.
I guess.
And some of them are probably waiting on your alert for the exit.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Sounds like Miss Trader Pro.
I mean, we still did get 300%, so like 400% is not that far off. Like, y'all can't complain about that. You feel me?
Yeah, no, I feel you.
Bro, I fucking hate these.
All right, yes.
Bro, I hate getting
I'm
out.
watching that high day now.
Oh.
Oh wow, my level was good today. The 37754 level. Our highest 37737.
These are weak highs.
I feel like today was pretty easy. Like we dropped to pre-market low, and then we bounced off of it,
and then after we tested the major 375 level, we just both lagged off.
Right.
If we break one of these opening range
Yeah,
levels,
we hella
like,
bull
I'm
flag,
just
not
saying,
gonna lie. Dude,
I
when
want
is it gonna
opening
tell me
range
if I
and shit.
got these or not?
It was kind of a VWAP retest too. On the 1 minute.
It was one hell of a bull flag, no cap.
We got an algo alert.
On what?
3-minute ES.
Oh shoot, you're right. Wait, does yours pop yet or not? Mine didn't. It just popped up, but it didn't close.
Mine didn't close yet, but it's still there.
All right, it's closed. Full port ES. All right, I'm gonna long again here. What the hell? All right, I'm longing ES here at 85. I'm in.
What contract?
Oh, let it dip a little bit, right?
Nah, hell no. You enter right when it freaking tells you to.
Damn.
Just kidding. But yeah, I'm in here at 3785. I mean, it's kind of impossible to get a worse fill than me. I basically got the top. But I follow the algo religiously.
378?
3785. I follow the algo religiously, so if it
Oh,
tells me
SPX.
no, ES, 3 minute.
Oh wait, yeah, you're not playing options.
Yeah. But I mean, yeah, you guys can enter options. It's totally fine.
What would that be for options?
Just get like SPY 379 or something.
Yeah, if you do play SPX contracts for the algo, make sure they're priced for at least $3 to $5. Like, you want them to not move like Dookie and get killed instantly.
Oh, okay.
Because you can't play tight stop losses.
Would you say on the algo you have to do that?
Yeah, if you're following the algorithm on the 3-minute ES chart, you'd have to get more expensive SPX contracts if you're not playing SPY contracts. Because you don't want them to just get killed immediately. Like, if you got like a Ryan price contract, you just die.
Alright, here's 86. I mean, I got a pretty trash fill, but the target off the algo's hit at 86. So I'm just gonna exit, or not exit, but enter a. What am I saying, dude? I'm just gonna alert an exit. Sorry, 1/4 out.
Just hit 87.
Yeah.
Yeah, we going crazy.
I hate that I can hear myself in the stream.
So Chris, I just started coming back now, but like, so is this what you play now?
Yes, yeah. So
Okay.
easy. I mean, yeah, it's kind of impossible to get a worse fill than me. It's like 40. It's like 40% on ES. Tell me an SPX contract that just moved 40% in 1 minute. And there's none. That's why.
Wait, so these are futures, right?
Yeah, it's not options on futures. It's just plain futures. We're just longing straight up
Okay.
futures. Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Wait, so do you use TradeStation or TradeAvate?
TradeAvate. I want to switch though. You guys know that? Like, look here. I have my paper trading account here linked to this TV. Look at this one. Look at this. When I enter a buy order right here and I press Command or Shift V to buy, I can drag my TP and my stop loss kind of stuff like that, right? And that's hella nice. But it doesn't let you do that on actual trading. So I can't drag it and drop it like that. And drag and drop it like that. You actually have to go over here to the trading panel and do your limits. Sophie, you know that, right?
So
And
where do you
Yeah,
trade?
Chris, I
where do
taught you
trade
this.
these?
yeah. I trade on TradeAvate, but I'm just using it on TradingView because it's
Okay, yeah, I
better.
was just wondering who you use, but
Yeah.
don't worry, I know all the features.
No,
Chris.
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
showed you, bro.
I know.
I'm like Yoda.
But yeah, I want
Yo,
to.
low-key, futures are crazy.
Yeah, they're crazy.
Futures are so much
So
better
I-
than options.
I just give
Chris was getting so hyped when I told him about them.
Yeah, I remember a
Yeah,
few months
I've had so much success on futures. I gave up options probably like a couple months ago. So I just keep my portfolio where I sell covered calls and sell puts. But yeah, man, I'm almost finished with my 100K funded account, so I got about 1,500 to go. It's a 6,000 profit.
Damn, Chris, I feel like you do not lose on these futures. I'm just scrolling through.
That's nice, by the way. Whoever said about the holy crap, am I saying the futures? Yeah, I want to give up options and just trade futures. But yeah, futures is super easy. I mean, I haven't lost a lot on it, and when we do lose, it's not like super big losses usually, right? So
Yeah, and you can also play options alerts on futures.
yeah, you can. I don't know if I would personally do that because like for me it's a little different. Like I want to get more profit, but I know a lot of people in the server who just play options when I alert a futures long or short.
Kris, what is your stop loss?
Oh lord, 5 people talking at the same time. Let's go. One at a time. Let's go.
What is your stop loss?
I usually set stop loss 10 points mentally. If it goes down 10 points or up 10 points from an entry and I'm wrong, I gotta be wildly wrong. So I'm exiting like 10 points max usually for a loss, which is 100% loss.
Right.
Yeah. So.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, sucks.
What's the next question or commentary?
Those NQ contracts, they move like crack, man.
Oh yeah. So NQ is nice, but
crazy.
What is it? 40 points and you double your money off of the margin you put in. The reason I don't like NQ is because it actually doesn't move as well. So it's 20 bucks per point, if I believe, right? 20 bucks per point.
Yeah.
Someone who's a futures pro, tell me, because I always forget.
I think so.
20 bucks per point, which is hella nice, and you put up I think 400. I want to say in margin. I want to say 400.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
I can search it up anyway, but it basically just does not move as well as ES. Like if you long ES at the very bottom today, percentage terms wise, if you put in one contract for 500 bucks, you make 500%.
Yeah.
Which is hella nice.
Interesting, because I've always heard it from other people saying that NQ is more volatile, and the contracts are 1,000 apiece.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So basically the reason why NQ is more volatile, quote unquote, is simply because the contracts move a lot more. You're putting up more margin, which means you're gonna get a lot more per move. And NQ is like, how many times the size of? It's like 3 times the size. So 1 point is nothing for NQ. 10 points is nothing from NQ for NQ. If it moves from 10,890 to 10,880, that's 10 points. That's nothing for it. Meanwhile, ES 10 points is like pretty big. So yeah, it's something to keep in mind. Also, in the money, bro, did you get the draw on the dunks or not? Because my thing is still not updated. I don't know about you.
No, I did not.
Did it say?
Jake is so good.
Did it say you didn't get entered or like what?
No, this shit's not even loading.
It's not even loading, bro. I swear. Come on, man. It's like the most fire drop ever, whole year. And I have to pay like 400 bucks just to get this off of resale. I'm not paying that. Ugh.
Spin the block. Bro, 21 really said I hop on songs and it seems like
Bro, I was actually like, I was going insane last night listening to this shit.
Yeah. How about the line where? How about the verse where he's like, they don't ask for ID because they know I'm 21. That was when he said that. I was like, oh my god, no. Oh.
Nah, bro, hold on.
I don't know which song that is. They're all insane.
Wait, well,
so.
it was they don't wait. It was like they don't ask.
They don't ask for ID because they know I'm 21, something like that. And he said that because he's 21. Like, if you don't get it, I mean, I don't know.
Bro, he started a whole. There were so many lines and lyrics that got so many rappers mad last night.
Wait, how about the one about Ice Spice? Like, she a 10, but she don't know how to rap.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, bro. That shit is bad, bro.
That was hilarious.
He hops on songs and it makes him sound like he makes the other person sound like he a feature. Isn't that crazy?
Ooh, damn.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Let me find that bar. Hold on.
That's just.
I've only listened to the first three.
At the club.
Crazy diss. Crazy diss. By the way, NVIDIA is running super hard right now, guys. NVIDIA is almost up 6%, just an FYI. So we're actually breaking out from previous day's high yesterday. Yesterday's high was 142.09, and I think we just broke above that. ES is moving up, it looks like. Oh my god, wait. Oh, look at ES, look at ES. Okay, I'm gonna be, how much did I already,
Holy shit, that's flying.
Yeah, I'm half out, I'm half out here.
That's that algo, boy.
Yes, sir. That's straight off the algo, boys and girls. That's freaking 70%.
Oh, 21 said.
I have to re-add the wait. So If I re-add the algo, everything will be up to date, right, Chris?
I mean, re-add the algo, like repay
Like
for it. Yeah.
I don't have it on one of my. If I like re-add it right now to one of my.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So make sure you use Hekanashi.
Okay.
Yeah.
We just broke the high of pre-market on SPY.
W. Yeah, I saw it too. Hella nice.
Bro, 21 said, I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature. I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. Oh my god.
Hey Ryan, when we go get them freestyles back up?
I don't know. 21. I'm about to get 21 on this freestyle.
Freestyle nights, bro. Come on.
21 bitches. Yo. Damn,
Dude,
bro, the
come on
market
now.
is ripping.
This thing gotta stop playing. Algo needs to chill, bro. Algo needs to chill. Cannot.
All my shit do not look like that.
What do you mean?
Hold on.
Oh, damn. We're almost at 100%er again. We just hit 400% in our ES long earlier. Now we're about to hit 100 again. Goddamn. Alright, so let's see the rest of everything. I don't know how we're running this much, I will say. Because everything that I see is still below its high. Oh my god, look at this candle on Amazon and Apple. Oh, Amazon.
Wait, hey Chris, when you get a chance, can you look at what I sent you? Because mine looks a bit different.
Yeah, one sec. I didn't see you sending me anything yet.
On Snap. Because I can't send it to you in Discord.
Oh, okay.
I can't send it to you.
Dude, I didn't get selected for the dunks. Goddamn. Absolute BS. That's stupid.
Yeah, I stopped checking. I don't even fucking care.
That's stupid. That's stupid. No, yours looks right. What are you using? ES 3-minute, right? And your settings should be 22 and 3 for ATR period, and then ATR multiplier is 3. That's what it should be, 22 and 3.
Yeah. It just looks like yours alerted it way.
Really?
Yeah, look at yours and look at mine.
Are you using SPY?
No.
Look, here's ES on the 3. Bro, this thing is just gonna keep fucking pumping or what? Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, can I get a fill at 95? If we get a fill at 95, it's 100%, y'all. I'm gonna be 3/4 out.
Big said she a 10 on trying to rap, but she good on mute. That's horrible.
So weird. Why does yours do that?
Ooh! Alright, 100%er. There we go. 3/4 out, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. That is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Exactly what I'm saying, Ryan. Exactly. What a morning, boys and girls.
Boys and girls.
Yes, sir. Alright, but what does have me upset is that I did not get those dunks. Come on, man.
Oh, what has me upset is that Drake is going crazy.
Everything other than these dunks right now got me hype. But come on, man. How did we not get the dunks? That's crazy. Resale is gonna go crazy on this too. Look at this, y'all. Oh, hold up.
Hey Chris, I could probably get you a sneaker plug too. What state are you in?
Cali. 250? Okay, I mean, I don't mind 250. I don't mind to. Tell me these are not fire, guys. These have to be the most fire shoe I've ever seen in my life. Let's see, go real quick.
Girl, what the fuck? My shit doesn't look like that.
SPY has rooms like 384 now. In first area 382. Well, area 380, 40, then 382.
Yeah.
And then 380, 380.
Bro, you're kidding me? 250? What's the price here?
Oh, I just need SPY to pull back real quick.
god, these are not $600. Yo, if anyone has these, size 13, I'll pay you hella for these. My goodness. Yeah, so we're at 95 right now. Jeez. All right, draw out previous high day, guys. 3790. Or just the opening price, right? So opening price on ES or SPY. So we broke above that and we're flying now. Remember, they usually try to grab liquidity when it looks like it's just an absolute nasty breakout. That's when they start to grab liquidity. So just be aware.
Oh, Chris, I figured it out.
Oh, nice. Okay. Cool.
I'm so stupid. No, it's because I just came back, right? So like, that basic trading gear.
The thing is, I feel like I don't know if I'm just imagining, but I feel like lately Fridays have been like really big trend days.
I mean, yeah, Fridays are just usually.
That's why I don't want to. That's why I don't want to look for an opposite direction, more like buying a dip in this uptrend now that the orb broke out to the upside. Like I legit feel like Fridays for the past couple of weeks have finished at highs or lows, depending on which side it was trending for the day.
Chris, bro.
Let's see if this breaks. I don't think this is gonna break the high. Yeah, it didn't really have the strength. They can start dipping this right here, by the way. Just a heads up. We're pretty far off the. Oh, actually, let me check the charts real quick. Off the 3.
Bro, my homie lost 15K trading options. I'm sorry.
Bruh. I don't know if that's funny or if I.
Bro, he's rich. It doesn't even matter.
Oh, okay. Then he's chilling out.
No, like he's personally rich. Just be in Dubai like every other weekend selling drugs. Like,
Right. So here it's 3,800 almost. I'm gonna be down to runners if we hit 300.
I might grab some puts soon. I feel like we're getting really extended here.
Bro, I'm actually kind of hot. I caught puts when we first hit 378.21. Bro, got puts. We dropped down, and I went to go sell my puts, and I do win the order every single time. And it sold me down for like what, down 2 cents a con, but it was up 2 cents a con because I was about to just get out the whole position, and I was just like, dang, bro, tell me how that even happened. I didn't even like it.
I experienced the same thing, 100%, man.
Because the premiums were moving so trash. It literally went from 378.21, and I feel like I got a bad feel, so it's probably like 378 like 15, and so then we dropped all the way down to 377 like 60, bro. And I got 2 cents from that shit. So I was about to get out, and then it took 2 cents from me. That's crazy.
That's kind of crazy.
That is kind of stupid. That's why futures is better.
Wait, so I'm gonna check the 3780s.
And they
All
were
right.
same days.
Hypothetically, if we got 3780s at low a day, we would have made, okay, if we got 3780s, which were 3.8 at low a day, they went to 2.8 or 20.8, sorry, and that would have made us 447%, which is pretty good. That's actually kind of good on SPX. Now on ES, if we just longed at the low, would have made 600 percentage wise, 600% compared to 450%. That's 150% more. I don't know. That's pretty good. Let's see SPY. I'm guessing SPY moved even more trash. Let's see 37. If we got SPY 375s.
Cause sometimes I look in.
All right, so guys, I think I forget if I made a video on this on YouTube. I know it's in my class.
To buy policy or to not?
Nah. But for
looking nice.
For knowing when to trade ES versus SPX versus SPY, it basically comes down to the range, I would say, as well as personal preference, right? So, like in this case, it's a huge range day. We literally saw already off the bat a 60-point drop in the morning or 50-point drop. That's how you know it's going to be a pretty good day to trade ES. So like one candle, you can already make 50%. That's why you trade futures on these kind of days. Now, on a smaller range day, like let's say yesterday, it was a little bit more of a smaller range at certain parts. Then you can trade options. It's a little bit easier on options. So that's one I know to differentiate which one I want to trade. Does that make sense, y'all?
Yes.
We have a 97% accuracy rate on the fucking algorithm.
Yeah, it's 97 on ES. Also, I love how Ryan's like the only one who actually said that he understands, even though bro doesn't need to understand. He's good. Like, man. So, okay, I just did the calculations, guys. If we were to have longed, if like all of us did something different, if you longed SPY at the bottom, you made 320% off of the. This is the most ideal premium possible, which is like $1.
It was actually 400.
400. I was looking at 375 calls, and that's the most. I'd never buy premium under 80
I was gonna say,
over 1.2.
Mine went from 50 cent to 2.
Okay, I'm not doing premiums that low, 50 cents. I did premium 88. That's pretty good for me. That's $1 almost. So that's 320% on SPY. On SPX, it was 450%. On ES, it was 600%. So between SPY, if we were to long SPY here at the bottom via calls, we would have made basically half as much than what we did on ES.
That's fucking insane, man.
Yeah,
That boy Kyrie.
that is a huge difference, and that is exactly why it's like there's no reason to play some options at times just because it's futures are so much better now. I mean, they've always kind of been OP, but like, you know. And the good thing is you can put up $50 on this, right? You can put up $50 and you're fine. So you can do micros. Let me give you guys an example. Everyone understands what I'm talking about when I say $50, right? Yes,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah, it's that thing after $49, right?
Yeah, exactly. The number that comes after 49 is 50, exactly. So, on micros, guys, let's just do a little paper trade right here. I buy 2. I have $100 up for margin. I put my take profit to high a day. I make $47. I have my stop loss set down here. I lose $112. I mean, for a small count, that's a lot. But again, this is a pretty big range day. Let's say I just buy 1. I put $50 up for margin, and then I put my take profit for just a few points up, and then my stop loss like just down here. I either lose $21 or make $25. So that's why you can just do a very tiny position. You don't need to be going heavy or anything, and you still make a lot of money. Like if you compound $25 off of 10 trades a day, and you have a very tiny account, you can double your account very quickly. It just depends, I guess, how good of a trader you are. Futures does kind of come down to how good of a trader you are. You can't really just get lucky the whole time. So.
But what about following the algo?
Oh yeah,
the wolf algo.
Follow algo, sure. Let's say you longed right here when this thing told us to go long. On this candle. So it told us to go long at 83. If you were to long with one contract of micros at 83, you would have made, and you just sold it at 87, you would have made $15. And that's in like 2 minutes, 1 minute. So, wow. Yeah. I mean, it's not a lot. It's like $15, right? But for a small count, $15 is like, 5% of the account. Yeah. That's pretty good. You do 5, and the good thing is, guys, this is a good thing. After you do that trade, you use $50 of your buying power, quote unquote. You just recycle that. It's all on margin. There's no PDT rule or anything like that. You can have your account less than 25K. When I started trading futures, I was using Sophie's account and I had like $200 in there. And then I moved to my account and then I did like $500 on there. And then I put in, a little bit more money because I finally got a hang of it. But just start small if you guys are getting into futures, yeah.
So making $100 is nothing if I have a $3,000 port.
If you have a $3,000 port, making $100 is like a heartbeat. You make it quickly. I long right here. I'm making and losing $25 in like instant. If you want to make $100, look at this. Let's say I just longed right here for whatever reason. I just thought it's gonna go up. It only has to move this much. Look how much it has to move. Literally this much from this blue line to this green line for me to make $100.
Right. And
but then for
kill.
Yeah, for me to lose $100, it literally has to go down this much. I know there's a lot of lines, but the yellow line basically.
Mm-hmm.
That's how much it has to move. Like, this is my fate right here. However much it moves right there is how much I'm gonna make or lose. It's very tiny. And you can imagine when people start to go heavier, look how much these prices start moving then. Now I make $400 and all it has to do is move that much. Or I lose $200 and all it has to do is move that much. So it's crazy after you start to get into a heavier sizing. Right now I have 1,500 on this. on the line off of the margin, right? Let's say I move this right down like this. I make $200 as soon as it hits that spot, right? Again, this is all paper, just because I want to give you guys examples. And then if I want to close it, okay, you know, I made $12 or whatever it is right here, then I can just set my limit and boom.
Right. Just the last question. Does
Yeah, of course.
anyone execute trades for futures from the trading view chart? Because I'm
do.
looking into it right now. Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
You have to pay. You can ask
CGQ.
Sophie.
CGQ, yeah. There's a CGQ data feed that
Yeah.
you need to pay $10 a month or something.
Yeah. So it's $10 a month, and then I think there's like a $5 fee on Trade at least. I think
Right,
that's what
right.
I paid.
For the level 1 data.
Yeah, for level 1 data. So it's $15 a month. The good thing is $15 you make in like a minute trading futures. Even if you're
Right,
trading
right.
micros, you make $15 in 5 minutes, right?
Exactly.
It's very
No,
simple.
It's very interesting. And the Wolf Algo, I see that it's very accurate if I'm
Yeah.
following the rules on ES.
If you follow the rules on this thing, so I have the log. You guys want to see this real quick? I gotta go in 1 minute. But look at this. This is the algo log for, here's October. It lost twice. It had 17 for 19 accuracy on confirmed signals. Then for the first opposite signals, and this is not, I didn't include FOMC, even though it won during FOMC, I didn't include it because they're abnormal. You can see the algo alerted 152 points on a long. That's just an abnormal trade. I'm not going to include it. And so yeah, 17 for 19, and then we had 5 for 5. And then for the drawdown, because what happens is that sometimes the algo is going to alert. It's not always going to alert and it's just going to go straight into profit. Sometimes it alerts and then it takes a minute. By the way, just 1 sec. I need to actually exit down to runners here at 3,800 for ES long. Just saying. 3803. That's my exit. Just got to make sure that we are managing this. 180%. Jesus Christ. I'll get back to my thought in 1 second. Let me just make sure I'm exiting. Jeez. All right, so there's 200%. Wow, that's very nice. So that's 200%, and then we hit 400% like a few minutes ago. What was I saying? So yeah, we have drawdown. So sometimes it's not just gonna go straight into profit. In this case, it went straight into profit, as you can see. I think there's many times, like, let me see, yesterday maybe we had something. Actually, yesterday was a loss. That was like our first loss of the month so far. But sometimes you're gonna get smaller plays. For example, look at this one. It went from 40 down to 35. That's like 5 points. It's still a lot, but it's not as much as, you know, hundreds and hundreds of points. So we gotta, I guess, keep that in mind. Trying to find a good example for you guys when it dips before profit. Let's pretend we have some random example here, like this one, where it's a confirmed signal, it's pre-market, but it dips before profit. The average drawdown is 9 points, which is quite a lot, which is why I always go in with a starter position on futures. If it goes down 5 points, easy peasy, I just average down. I have a very good average, and I have all these notes right here as well on what it's doing, right? The trend alerts, the confirmed trend alerts at market open are the highest accuracy. It's like never lost at market open, really. So whenever I see a signal come in at market open that's confirmed, I'm almost always taking those. Just something to note. Yeah. Anyway, that's kind of a long explanation, but good morning, guys. I got a dip now, but hopefully everyone enjoyed the live. Amazing trading day. Make sure you post your profits and everything. Yeah, you can check out the algo if needed. I know.
Thanks, Kris.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'll see you guys Monday or this weekend or something.